Yo, people, what's good? Right, this unboxing here is courtesy of my family from Foot District, who are doing crazy dope stuff out in Spain. Good looking at Juanma, good looking at Ruben for these. What I'm about to showcase to you is the retro of one of my favorite basketball silhouettes of all time. We're talking about the ADIDAS Forum High. Now, this shoe debuted in 1984, and it was the most technologically advanced basketball shoe of its era. It was the most expensive as well. There was a basketball player that actually wore these before he signed his endorsement deal, a certain Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan was wearing the ADIDAS Forum when they dropped, before he signed his deal with Nike. He was seen playing in them in his college career, and he was going to sign with ADIDAS because of this one shoe. That is how dope this shoe is. But yeah, Jordan brand, well, it wasn't Jordan brand back then. Nike back then, before they developed Jordan, you know, they came with a great package and they offered it to him. But before that, it was all about this shoe as worn by Michael Jordan. Now, this shoe has finally been retroed to OG spec by Chris Law and his crew in Portland, Oregon. But the story begins in '84, as I said, with Jacques Chassaing, one of the most key, significant footwear designers ever. We're talking about the equivalent to ADIDAS, what Tinker Hatfield is to Nike, what Stephen Smith is to every brand that he's ever worked at. You know, this is the level. Jacques Chassaing did these and so many other great shoes, and the ZX series as well. What an absolute legend. Okay, I was going to open up for the shoes, but it looks like my Foot District fam have put this little thing in here as a little surprise gift. Hold on, let's check it out. Let's see what's inside. Oh, yeah, that's dope. It's a chain, ceramic laces. Check it. What a wicked gift. I really do appreciate you. That is so cool. Yeah, that's a winner. Thank you. I was just happy with the shoes, but that little touch, really appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Right, now to the shoes. As I said, the most advanced basketball shoe of its era. Just look at that shape. Straight up raking right there on the heel. Boom. And then a cheese wedge profile like that. So aggressive. This was the dominant shoe of its era on the basketball court. And just look at it. For me, one of the most hard body shoes ever. Any brand, any sport. Now, let's see how Chris Law and his team have done. You can see the leather here is super premium. It's two-tone. A little eggshell there and the white pop there. You've got the lemon laces. You've got the suede stripes. You've got the suede on the collar. And look at that asymmetric strap, which was there for stability, to ensure the foot didn't twist. The technology that went into this, the research and development at the time was incredible. Even the sole unit with the traction, with the suction cups, you know, the serrated edges to ensure that you grip the court, but you wasn't, you know, confined by it. You wasn't restricted by it. And then the ubiquitous Dillinger webbing right here in the midsole. I mean, check it. ADIDAS have bodied it once again when it comes to retros. It started off with the ADIDAS Rivalry, which I thought was one of the most impeccable retros by any brand ever. And now they've followed it up with this, the ADIDAS Forum. Good enough for Jordan, definitely good enough for us, right? This, for me, is absolute perfection. So exquisite. But yo, you got to shout out my Foot District fam for looking out. Juanma, Ruben and the crew, I appreciate you. And to you people out there, yo, stay safe, all right? One love.